In the beginning of July 2024, some of the shorts and reels are getting viral. A hamster at the top and a coin at the bottom, generating hundreds of thousands of coins. While tapping, the people engaging mostly are the youth. So what actually the hamster combat is, and the dark truth of how their money make from you, and does the real world money are connected with it, and how you can become a millionaire by tapping it. So in this video we are going through this without wasting time. Let's get cracked. So what actually hamster combat is? The hamster combat is a Telegram based crypto game has gained popularity by offering player role of a hamster CEO in a fictional crypto exchange. The game blends strategically gameplay with real crypto rewards, including upcoming tokens, launch and airdrops. Its integration with the Telegram ensures the convenient access for a growing user base. Is this a mimic that crypto is generated by tapping? Remember this, if you are not paying for the product, then you are the product for. The tap-to-earn game model involves a simple, addictive and gameplay where the player taps to see to earn game reward. The Hamster Combat, a popular tap-to-earn game, has captivated the crypto community. The player acts as the hamster CEO and growing their exchanges by tapping to accumulate in-game gold for upgrades. The game is free with optionals. The creators plan to introduce a native token and conduct an airdrop on the open network. Inspired by the Nota coin, the clicker game, the Hamster Combat combines the strategical movement of the virtual combat exchange with the excitement of the earning real-world rewards. So why it's talking about the money or the crypto market? The game's creator aim to list these coins on the crypto exchanges like the popular Telegram game Nota coin, which the price determined by the supply and demand only. The game's formula for profit in 1 hour enable users to transfer or airdrop the token and potentially convert them into real money. Unlike many established cryptocurrencies, still this time the Hamster Combat does not have a white paper. So what is a white paper? A white paper is crucial as it provides the detailed information about the cryptocurrency, including its technology, development plans, and the underlying company's vision. But on the absence of such a document, which indicates a lack of transparency and detailed planning, the game does not provide a clear information about the privacy policies, and users are left in the dark about what happened when they tap their phone. But whether they are mining the cryptocurrency or whether their data are goes and the overall purpose of their actions are still mysteries. How you can make money from it? Already I just mentioned that if you are not paying for the product, then you are the product. Likewise, Hamster Combat game involves a stimulated crypto exchange. Does not interact with the real cryptocurrency market. Player earn in-game currency, hamster coins, real world value or trade externally. Although the game follows the play to earn trend in the crypto world, the hamster can be withdrawn as the actual cryptocurrency, and there may still a chance. The dark truth how they make money from you. If you giving any shit on time and tapping on it will not make no sense. There is a word thought that the life has 2 stages. First, the normal birth, which is gliding along the society with no goals, and second, the actual birth, when we found the purpose of our life, which we live for achieving the purpose, which is the only attained by work for it. To be frank, nothing gets for free. This is how we can let the hamster look like, and it doesn't give any value, and they can make each and every person a millionaire there. There will be an inequality in society. Can you become a millionaire by tapping? As of July 15, 2024, a 1 rupee coin costs about 6 million hamster coin, which we can earn only 1 rupee by giving 6 million hamster coin. It might be pumped or it might be dumped. Working in a real world which have an intrinsic value that can only generate a millionaire, at the end of the day, they have a larger community, which they will be used for the pumping the coin by giving some value for the coin. Other than the company have no motto to make rich each and every people. Simply it reflects all that tapping a million times won't make you rich anyone. The real world generated by solving the real life problems. To be frank, 1% the money making from will be by the promoters and the people who manages the company. Consider $100 million people paying this to each of them reward with each dollar. Who gonna pay it and what gonna pay it? And this is all about time. Think on that. The time that are same for all. For you and for me. Invest the time in learning some skill that will make you a millionaire in one day. That's it today. See you next time.